날개 여기 이게 뭐야?
So now I will put a rivet in. Put the rivet squeezer on the rivet.
Do it, baby.
We'll do it together. Or what?
Again, a white Pacifica, we need that moved, you're blocking things. License plate DA27748. Please meet the police so they can shepherd you out of the way, you're blocking things. A white Pacifica, we need that moved.
땡볕에 쓰기 힘들었어.
That's how the airplane turns.
See it?
Good job, good job. There you go. Good job.
저기 그냥 한 거는 저기 봐봐. 날개 쪽에.
Yeah, look at mommy.
자, 날개 여기 이게 보여?
이거
Ladies and
내비게이션
gentlemen, a quick announcement for you. Due to the incoming rain from the
Lena?
Who else do we have? I'm here till they throw me out.
Really? Can I have the keys?
And I'm kind of in charge of the hangar, so I'm not throwing myself out. What are we? I guess we are building cruisers.
These are the ones with that. No. Look, there. Looks just like that one.
We are building a Zenith 750 cruiser. That's the white airplane over there. It's one of my 3 favorite. So I'm going to create another hole for the rivet to hold the wing on, and one more hole for the rivet that holds the tail on, the horizontal stabilizer. So now I will put a rivet in, put the rivet squeezer on the rivet.
That's it, baby.
You can do it together or what? Oh, teamwork. Yeah, I like to see it. It's even better when the two of you work together. Man, I couldn't stop you from doing this.
Rick is still going.
Still going. Another one. Yeah. There you go. And you squeeze. This is kind of like squishing cookie dough flat, but you're squeezing metal flat. So how strong are you? A couple rivets to hold the tail on. And again, this is a nice souvenir of Cavalcade, but this is aircraft metal, aircraft sheet metal, aircraft rivets, the tools that I use to build an actual airplane.
You build that bunch of rivets into that, like that.
Yeah, and the one that I built is that one. It looks a lot like this airplane here.
All over.
All rivets. So I know mine and this one have about 16,000 rivets.
Jeez.
So you gotta really want it.
Is the rivet just stronger than the sort of like other connectors?
They're strong and they're incredibly light. But actually, they're different styles of rivets. You've probably used or seen pop rivets or pulled rivets. That airplane's fabricated almost entirely with pop rivets. These airplanes, the RVs, are almost entirely solid rivets. They're squeezed, or we use a rivet gun or a sledgehammer.
Rosie the rivet.
And I am Rick the Rivet. Do you want it?
Yeah.
There we go. Perfect. The two of you finish that, and now we're going to see the wings in the position where they need to be, which is sticking out to the side. That's where wings belong.
Aiden's gotta go home and change. He's sopping wet.
And you now have a Zenith 750 cruiser.
Wow.
And thank you for coming out and making Cavalcade a success, because if you weren't here, I would be talking to myself all day, and that would be very sad and confusing.
Yeah, exactly.
Say thank you.
In. That's fine. Congratulations.